For the last 24 hours, dramatic scenes of an earthquake have unfolded in parts of Merseyside to test out how the fire service would deal with a major disaster. A huge pile-up in the Birkenhead tunnel involving more than 40 vehicles, people trapped in buildings that have collapsed are just some of the things that firefighters have had to deal with. 200 firefighters, 5 helicopters, 7 urban search and rescue teams from all over the UK have turned out to deal with the earthquake. The exercise is designed to test the UK's response if a major disaster happened. It's the largest of its kind in the UK and will finish tonight.